everyone. Welcome to Rhyme and Storytime with me, Tyan. How many ways can we say hello? How many ways can we say hello? How many ways do you know? How many ways can we say hello? How many ways do you know? Hola, bonjour, assalamu alaikum, jambo, habari, lumalan, oliocha, bon dia, yao, wagwan. Did you know that it's Black History Month? And here in West Hampstead, we are celebrating a whole month to celebrate African and Caribbean people. And we're celebrating by singing some of my favorite nursery rhymes. First, let's head to West Africa and pick one of my favorite fruits. Ackee! Woohoo! Ackee is a yellow fleshy fruit in a red skin with black seeds and can also be found in the West Indies. It's so tasty, Jamaica made it part of its national dish. Ackee and saltfish, yum! Ackees can be found growing on the trees, and when they are ripe and ready to pick, they are sold in the market. Can you pretend to carry your ackee basket on your head as we head to the market? Linstead Market. Carry me ackee, go a Linstead Market, not a quatty word sell. Carry me ackee, go a Linstead Market, not a quatty word sell. Ooh, what a night, not a bite. What a Saturday night. Ooh, what a night, not a bite. What a Saturday night. I carry me ackee, go a Linstead Market, not a quatty word sell. I carry me ackee, go a Linstead Market, not a quatty word sell. Everybody come feel up, not a quatty word sell. Everybody come feel up, not a quatty word sell. Oh, what a night, not a bite. What a Saturday night. Oh, what a night, not a bite. Not a Saturday night. Carry me ackee, go a Linstead Market, not a quatty word sell. Carry me ackee, go a Linstead Market, not a quatty word sell. Oh, fantastic. Oh, well done, everybody. Let's see. Shall we now head to the Congolese in Central Africa, here, where we will sit in our rowboats and head down the coast. Are you ready? Oh, lele, moliba makasi. Oh, lele, moliba makasi. Luka, moliba makasi. Oh, lele, moliba makasi. Bokanaye, boka kasaye. Bokanaye, boka kasaye. Oh, lele, moliba makasi. Oh, lele, moliba makasi. Luka, moliba makasi. Oh, lele, moliba makasi. Bokanaye, boka kasaye. Bokanaye, boka kasaye. Oh, lele, moliba makasi. Oh, fantastic singing. You know, I can feel the heat of the West Indies. Which island shall we choose? There are so many. Let's choose where all the children love to play, dancing in circles and holding hands, celebrating their beautiful round skin. There's a brown girl in the ring. Tra-la-la-la-la, there's a brown girl in the ring. Tra-la-la-la, there's a brown girl in the ring. Tra-la-la-la-la, she looked like a sugar and a plum, plum, plum. Show me emotion, tra-la-la-la-la. Show me emotion, tra-la-la-la-la-la. Show me emotion, tra-la-la-la-la. She looks like a sugar in a plum, plum, plum. There's a brown girl in the ring, tra-la-la-la-la. There's a brown girl in the ring, tra-la-la-la. There's a brown girl in the ring, tra-la-la-la-la. She looked like a sugar in a plum, plum, plum. Who can skip? Skip across the ocean, tra-la-la-la-la. Skip across the ocean, tra-la-la-la-la-la. Skip across the ocean, tra-la-la-la-la. She looks like a sugar in a plum, plum, plum. Show me emotion, tra-la-la-la-la. Show me emotion, tra-la-la-la-la-la. Show me emotion, tra-la-la-la-la. She looks like a sugar in a plum, plum, plum. Oh, I love that dancing. Let's see, time for a personal favourite of mine about a little donkey called Tingaleo. I have no idea which island he came from, but he can do amazing things. Do you want to hear? Tingaleo, come little donkey, come. Tingaleo, come little donkey, come. Me donkey walk, me donkey talk, me donkey eats with a knife and fork. Me donkey walk, me donkey talk, me donkey eats with a knife and fork. Tingaleo, come little donkey, come. Tingaleo, come little donkey, come. Me donkey eat, me donkey sleep, me donkey kick with the two hind feet. Me donkey eat, me donkey sleep, me donkey kicks with his two hind feet. Tingaleo, come little donkey, come. Tingaleo, come little donkey, come. He's a funny donkey, eating with a knife and fork. Oh, that's lovely. Let's see, what other songs can we sing? Let's sing Moonshine Tonight, come make me dance and sing. Moonshine tonight, come make me dance and sing. Me they rock so, you they rock so under the banyan tree. Me they rock so, you they rock so under the banyan tree. Moonshine tonight, come make me dance and sing. Moonshine tonight, come make me dance and sing. Me they rock so, you they rock so under the banyan tree. Me they rock so, you they rock so under the banyan tree. Come we hold hands and make we dance and sing. Come we hold hands and make we dance and sing. Me they rock so, you they rock so under the banyan tree. Me they rock so, you they rock so under the banyan tree. Oh, lovely singing. I remember a clapping game actually I used to play with my family called Roller Coaster. Shall we sing it together? It goes down, down, baby, down, down the roller coaster, sweet, sweet baby. I never let you go. Now chili, chili, coco, chili, chili, pow. Chili, chili, coco, chili, chili, pow. Mama, mama, sick and bad. Called the doctor and the doctor said, let's get the rhythm of the head, ding dong. Let's get the rhythm of the head, ding dong. Let's get the rhythm of the hands. Let's get the rhythm of the hands. Let's get the rhythm of the hot dog. Let's get the rhythm of the hot dog. Let's get the rhythm of the feet. Let's get the rhythm of the feet. Put them all together and what do we get? Ding dong. Hot dog. Put them all backwards and what do you get? Hot dog. Ding dong. I love that one. Here's another childhood favorite of mine. Do you know what a mango is? It's a very large tropical fruit. It's very tasty and it's grown in many hot countries, including parts of South America, Central Africa, and in the Caribbean. And it's very, very tasty. You should try one if you haven't already. My brother did I tell you, son, you not fi go and go walk, no go mango walk, no go mango walk. My brother did I tell me you not go mango walk and pick up the number 11. Tell me, Joe, do tell me, Joe, tell me, Joe, do tell me, Joe, why you pick up the number 11. Me brother did I tell you not fi go mango walk, go mango walk. Mango walk, my brother did I tell you not fi go mango walk, and I pick the number 11. That's a funny one. Number 11 is another name for a mango. Let's see. That was lovely singing. Thank you for singing along with me. I think it's time for us to have a story now. What do you think? I'm going to tell you an Anansi folktale. It's taken from a series of popular folktales known to all African countries and Caribbean islands. Kwaku Anansi was a very mischievous young man that was always getting into trouble. So one day, his dad, the sun god, turned him into a spider, the smallest creature possible. And this was to stop him from getting into any trouble. But what do you think? Do you think this stopped Anansi from getting into trouble? Oh no, he continued to get up to all sorts, mainly tricking those animals a lot larger than himself. This is the story of Anansi and Mr. Turtle. Mr. Turtle went to visit Anansi. Anansi was just about to sit down and eat his dinner. Oh, he had the rice and peas and the pot of beans and the yams, and he was looking forward to eating it all by himself. But if someone comes knocking at your door and they're a neighbor, you must always share what you have. So he opened his door and he let Turtle in. Turtle saw the amazing food and was like, yes, I'm just in time for dinner. Anansi said to Turtle, wait, you must wash your hands. You can't sit down and eat dinner with me until you wash your hands. So Turtle made his way to the bathroom to wash his hands. Right, so now Anansi had Turtle in the bathroom. He decided he was going to start eating. So he started eating the food, as much food as he could eat, and he was gobbling it all up. And Turtle comes back out from the bathroom and says, Anansi, the food's nearly done. And he said, well, you took so long washing your hands, I just started without you. And just as Turtle was just about to eat some food, Anansi said, wait! Turtle, you sure you did wash your hands? They still look a little bit dirty to me. And Turtle said, that's because I had to crawl along the floor, and your floor's not very clean, Anansi, to get to the table. But okay, I'll go back and I'll wash them again. So Turtle went back to the bathroom and he washed his hands. And while he was in the bathroom, guess what cheeky Anansi did? He gobbled up all the food until there was none left. Oh dear. And when Turtle got back to the table, he said, oh, Anansi, there's no food left. And he said, well, Turtle, next time you have to be quicker. So Turtle said goodbye to Anansi with a very hungry belly, and Anansi went to bed with a very full stomach. The next day, Turtle saw Anansi, and he thought, he played a really cruel trick on me yesterday, and he didn't want to share his dinner. I'm going to invite Anansi to dinner to teach him a lesson. So Turtle invited Anansi to dinner at the bottom of his pond. Now Turtle laid out his spread and he had everything there, all the favourite fruits on the table down at the bottom of the pond. And Anansi came along and stepped on the pond, but he couldn't get down to the bottom because he was so small and light. He just floated there on the top. And Turtle was down at the bottom saying, "Come on, Anansi, come on. Wouldn't you like to eat some of this wonderful food?" And Anansi tried and he tried, but he just couldn't get down to the bottom of the pond. And then he had an idea. If I fill my pockets with stones, maybe I will sink down to the bottom of the pond and be able to enjoy all Turtle's wonderful food. So he collected stones and he put them in his jacket pocket. And yes, sure enough, he sunk down to the bottom of the pond. Now, just about when he was about to tuck into all the lovely food, Turtle said, "Wait, Anansi, you can't wear your jacket at the dinner table. It just isn't polite." "But," Anansi said. "But nothing," Turtle said. "You must take it off." So Anansi took off his jacket and guess what happened? He floated back up to the top of the pond. And you know what Turtle did? He gobbled up all the food because he'd got his own back on Anansi. And Anansi crawled back home starving. My dad was right, he said. What goes around comes around. What a wonderful story. Shall we have one more song? I think we all know this one. Are you ready? Don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. Singing don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. I woke up this morning to the sound of the rising sun. 3 little birds beside my doorstep, singing sweet songs of melodies pure and true. Singing, this is my message to you. Singing, don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. Singing, don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. Oh, fantastic. Do you know, I've had so much fun. Thank you for listening. And I hope you enjoyed all the songs and the lovely story about Anansi. Find out what else you can learn to celebrate such a rich and wonderful culture belonging to those from African and Caribbean backgrounds. Are there any nursery rhymes your family members might know, or friends might be able to teach you? Perhaps a folk story. Happy Black History Month, West Hampstead.